Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the name of your website on Wix. So firstly, open your browser, then just simply go to Wix. Now just simply log into your Wix website. Now after you are in your dashboard, just simply click on setting over here. Then after that, just simply go to website settings. Now over there you will find the name of your website. So just simply click and edit whatever name you want. So you can change your name over here, and if you want to change in the editor, so just simply click on go to the editor and it will redirect you to the Wix website editor. Now over there you can change the name for the URL as well, and after that you can change the name that is shown into your website as well, just by double click on the text, and after that just simply edit whatever you want to edit in the name. And after all of the settings and after all of the changes, just simply click publish, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.